Astonishingly, the average number of goals scored in a professional football match hovers around 2.7. In a game that's 90 minutes long, that's not a lot of scoring, is it? In this ocean of time, the moments of exhilaration are few and far between. But there's a science to it, a method to the madness of goal scoring. Today, we're going to delve into the top 5 ways to shoot a ball and score more goals. First up on our list is the instep drive, also known as the laces shot. This method boasts power and accuracy, a lethal combination in the world of football. To execute it, approach the ball at a slight angle, plant your non-kicking foot beside the ball, and strike through the center with your laces. The result? A fast, straight shot that gives goalkeepers nightmares. Next, we have the side foot shot. While it might not have the raw power of the instep drive, it compensates with precision. The trick lies in the approach. Approach the ball straight on, plant your non-kicking foot slightly behind the ball, and strike it with the inside of your foot. The result is a well-placed shot, perfect for slotting the ball into the corners of the goal. Now, the third method, the chip shot, is a real crowd pleaser. It's all about outsmarting the goalkeeper by gently lofting the ball over their head. The key here is timing and audacity. As you approach the ball instead of striking it, you're going to gently lift or chip it, aiming to catch the goalkeeper off guard. The fourth method, the knuckleball, is a bit of a wild card. It's unpredictable, it's erratic, and when done right, it's downright unstoppable. To execute a knuckleball, strike the ball off-center with your laces, minimizing spin and causing the ball to move unpredictably in the air. It's tricky to master, but absolutely worth the effort. Finally, we have the backspin shot, a method that involves striking the ball in a way that it spins backwards while moving forward. This gives the ball a unique dipping trajectory, making it difficult for the goalkeeper to read and react to. All these methods have their own charms and challenges, their own strengths and weaknesses. But at the end of the day, what truly matters is how you, as a player, can adapt and incorporate these techniques into your style, into your game. So the next time you find yourself on the pitch, ball at your feet, goal in sight, remember these methods. Experiment with them, play around with them, make them your own. Because football, like life, isn't just about scoring goals. It's about the journey, the learning, the joy of playing the beautiful game. And who knows, with a little practice, a little patience, you might just find yourself scoring more goals than you ever thought possible. That's the beauty of football.